Huh. So you understood the data leakage part. So now regular software updates can be there. So when we are talking about the best practices, we can say regular software updates, strong passwords and two-way factor authentication. Always there should be a secure Wi-Fi connection, installing app from trusted sources, regular backups can be there, reliable security apps we can use. Now awareness and education when I am talking. Now I am talking about the firewall and all. When you are talking about the firewall, you can see here. Firewall is a device which is allowing and denying the incoming and outgoing traffic. Now firewall, side firewall technologies. Overview of firewall technology. Firewall is a network device that observes and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic, adhering to the security policies. 1 second. അരമണിക്കൂർ കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പോകത്തേക്ക് 15 മിനിറ്റ് ഇവിടെ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് മമ്മി അവിടെ പോയി ഇരുന്നോ വേണമെങ്കിൽ 5 മിനിറ്റ് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ വരാം മമ്മിക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഇരുന്നോന്ന് അവിടെ കട്ടിലുണ്ട് Unified Threat Management Firewall UTM device generally integrates. UTM integrates with the stateful inspection. How does firewall work? As mentioned previously, firewalls filter the network traffic within a private network. It analyzes. Now, firewall allowing good traffic. Firewall are based on the rule, it will not allow the traffic. Why are firewall important? You can see the firewall key skill test. Firewall normally incorporate with event management. Now digital subscriber line DSL is their function of the firewall when I am discussing. It is allowing or denying the traffic. Advantages of using firewall based on the requirement. We can understand how it is working. If any kind of malicious traffic is coming, it should not allow, it should not deny. That what we can do. Firewall provides. Now, how does firewall protect? I said there are restrictions we are giving. Based on the restriction only, it will allow, it will deny the traffic. Now, this is the end of today's session. So now 2 more topics left that we will do in our tomorrow session. Again, I am telling this is a 8 hours instructor-led training. So you can understand what exactly happening here. Now, whenever it is required, you can at your own pace, you can go through the training. The content is available in the portal. You can go through the content. You will able to read it as your own pace. First thing. Second thing, all the recording from the starting to ending, it is available in the portal. You can go through that and you will get it. You can be able to use it. Now, we already completed up to IDS IPS here. Now the upcoming session we will complete. We will have a discussion and we will go for the conclusion of topic in our next session. So anytime, any doubt if you are having, we can discuss it and we can talk about the queries. Anytime you are having a query, you can upload it in the portal and you will able to get that through the same. Now, ethical hackers are doing the same thing what hackers are doing. All the ethical hacking and hacking tools are the same. So when I am talking about the hacking, ethical hacking, there are 5 stages of hacking is there. Scanning, that means collecting information. Advanced scanning. Reconnaissance, the first part. Advanced scanning, collecting advanced information that can be through Nmap or anything. Once you get that information, it can be through, you can go for the maintaining access. Once maintaining access part is over, then you can go for maintaining access part is over, then you can go for maintaining access part is over, then you can go for maintaining access, then clearing the track. These are the 5 stages of ethical hacking. 1 second, we will just